Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm super excited because this is my first time receiving it. I'm thinking it may be their first ever. This is the Bombay Cedar lifestyle box, but instead of the monthly version, this is their seasonal version. So it's a little bit more expensive, but you get more items. And it only comes 4 times a year. So I did get some information on it, like the pricing and all of that, and we will get to that. And then the unboxing, I can't wait to see what's inside. I do have a 10% off promo code with Bombay and Cedar. I'll double check that it works with the subscription. My cats are so hyper at nighttime, oh my god. But before we get started, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here in our channel, so if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And recently I launched our 11,000 subscriber giveaways. A big thank you to my subscribers. So if you guys have not yet entered, definitely do so. I will link that at the end of this video. So this box is $74.95 per season. And there's free shipping in the US, but it is available worldwide. So it varies based on where you live. So if you follow that link below, if you are international or not based in the US, you can check out the pricing there. And again, I have that promo code. And you're supposed to get 6 to 9 full-size products with at least a value of $200. And it ships 4 times a year, of course, because it's seasonal. And it is going to ship, the winter box is going to start shipping December 15th. So I'm pretty sure what we're opening today, you won't get, if you order it now, you'll get the winter box. And they do have some spoilers on their page if you want to check it out, again, on that link. But look how pretty. I was thinking about this when I was just freshening up to film. I think Bombay and Cedar, like their outer box, is the cutest packaging of all subscription companies. Like, I love this one too, the like blues and greens. Their other one, like I know the beauty box at least is like some pinks and similar design. If you guys know of any others, let me know, but I think they win. So let's look at a sneak peek. That's what it looks like. This is a big box. There is a card on top. Oh, and it matches the outer packaging. Cute. And inside it tells you all of the items. It also gives pricing, and it looks like they do have some items that vary. So the total retail value will be between $202.43 and $236.44, depending on what you get. I'm just gonna grab the first thing here, and this looks like it's a scarf. Really pretty colors, right? It feels so nice. Maybe if I hold it back here, it'll be easier. This is really pretty. It's perfect for fall and winter. What is this made out of? It says polyester. It feels so nice. Super long. So this is a variation item. You could have gotten this or some lounge socks or arm warmers. So this is a blanket scarf, and it's by Leto Accessories, and the scarves range from $24 to $29. Blanket scarf, I like this. It's seriously so soft, I can see why it would be called a blanket scarf, and it's large, so that must be why. How big is it? You can't see me. Just grab the next thing. This is by Taste Delicious Bonbon, or Bonbon's the brand. Taste Delicious Body Scrub in Mojito. Oh, did we get something similar to this in the beauty box, but it was like shaped as hearts and it didn't look like it was covered in sugar? This one also looks kind of edible. I remember saying that. It says cleanse, exfoliate, hydrate, and nourish. So it's a body scrub, or delectable looking body scrub truffles. Leave your skin ultra clean and smooth. Blah, 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 blah. And this is $24. Wow, that's a lot, but there's a lot in there. I want to smell. I have to smell. There's a seal over, but it smells minty, like mojito. Mojito sounds good and refreshing, right? What, is this a mug? This is why the box is so heavy. What is this, a candle? I think it might be a candle. Mug was my first thought. I don't know why, but this is... Got a little excited there, guys. This is beautiful. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, look how pretty this is. So it had a gold top. I love the colors. Blue and green are my favorite colors. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Smell of it. Just imagine that was what that was for, I guess. So this is by Illume, and it's their Citrus Crush Scented Soy Candle. It smells so good. It reminds me of something. Like an anthropology scent or something. I don't know, but it smells really good. And it is $28. The Go Be Lovely Lidded Ceramic Candle by Illume. And this, yeah, this is like good quality. Like when I'm done with this candle, which won't take very long because I go through them so quick, I will have to repurpose it for something. Maybe like a makeup brush. I don't know. Anyone have any good ideas? Let's move on. Yes. By Sweet Escape. This is the Sweet Smith Candy Co. Aztec Cocoa Peanut Brittle. Oh my god. Peanut Brittle. And it says spicy. Yum. Spicy. I'm interested. Oh, there's some cayenne in it. Okay, I've had some cayenne in chocolate before and it was good, but not in peanut brittle. Excited to try that. Oh, got two things. Oh, and the candy is $5.99. I totally have a cat hair in my nose. Next up, we have a lip balm with a little lippy clip, the original lip balm holder. It's cute too. These are genius, especially if you carry around a big bag, because I don't know if that's ever happened to you, but I've struggled to find mine, like when I have stuff all over. Awesome, and that is, the holder's $10 and the lip balm is $2.50. But it looks like there's earrings in here, because it says Eva Earrings Rose by Claudia G. So this is a variation item. You could have gotten a bracelet or some earrings. And I think the bracelets and earrings vary as well. Oh, these are cute. I have some similar to this, but they don't look like these. I like the colors. Like the white, the purple, and pink. So pretty. And these vary between $29 and $49. Oh, that's a big variation. And it says you're making a difference. They must like give something to charity. That's awesome. Archer, you need to chill. There is a lot of stuff in this box. Next, this is by Cole, the exfoliant. Is this in another language? Oh, I was reading the other side, which is like in French or Spanish. I don't know. This is the exfoliating back scrubber that's infused with charcoal, and it has a woven rope handles. Okay, cool. I've had one of these before. So it's just like a towel that can exfoliate your skin. This is, and it's has charcoal in it, which is like detoxifying. But this is good because it's like long. You can kind of scrub your back and stuff like that. And this is $15. Guys, there's this big thing in here that I saw right away and I was waiting. I'm so excited. Well, first off, really cute box. But this, you make your own kombucha. It's kombucha, right? I was saying it wrong for so long and I was corrected and now I'm confused what one's right. Kombucha or kombucha? I think it's kombucha, but someone let me know, please, or I can look it up after this. It's made in Florida. I'm not made in Florida, but I live in Florida. A product of Humble Bumble Kombucha Infinite Tea. One kit is a lifetime of kombucha. And it tells you how to brew it here, all the instructions. That's so cool. In the content, it says there's 1 gallon glass jar, a SCOBY claim code, which is a symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeast, a tight weave cloth and rubber band, organic cane sugar, organic black tea, and brewing instructions. And I guess you have to claim the yeast online because it has to be fresh or something, but they give you a code inside. So you claim your code and then you brew it, then you ferment it, and then you bottle it and enjoy it. I'm so excited. And there's more wording on here. I haven't had it in a while, but I love it. I used to like get it every time I go to the grocery store, but those like add up. Like Guava Goddess was one of my favorites. Oh my God, yum. This is so fun. Yeah, they were started in Orlando. Cool. This is awesome. Is this in all the boxes? Or you could have gotten this or a fermented vegetable or lacto pickle kit. I'm so glad I got this one. I mean, I wouldn't have minded the other, but this like really excites me. And this is $39.95. Oh, I can't wait to make some. It's so awesome. And then there's one more thing in the box. Sorry, I threw the box down to entertain my cats, but it actually spooked them and they ran. Maybe you heard that too. That's what you get for interrupting my videos. Just kidding. I'm really nice to them. I'm not mean. This is by Food Guard. Reusable, stretchy, sticky lids. These are awesome. I don't have this brand, but I have some similar. But they're kind of big. I think they're made for more like when you bake goods or something. Like this looks like it's made for like bowls, like things you actually use all the time. Stretchable, stickable, washable, reusable, environmentally friendly, time and money saving food lid that stretches and molds to most container sizes. And there's 5 in here in different colors. These are great. Oh, and it looks like they might have different sizes too. You see it right here. They're even oven safe and microwave safe and dishwasher safe. Nice. The dishwasher safe is huge because sometimes I'm lazy. Even though it says I can wash things, I still put them in my dishwasher. Don't tell. And these are $24.95. And this is a variation item. You would have gotten this or bamboo fiber storage food containers by California Home Goods. You guys, I think this box was awesome. Okay, the kombucha kit, that's awesome. The candle smells amazing. I think those are really awesome and will be useful. The brittle, the earrings, like everything, the body scrub. I think this was a good box. What do you guys think? I love Bombay Cedar because you get such unique items. And this box is different than like the monthly one. They didn't give like essential oils. I'm not complaining or something, just pointing out the differences I'm thinking in my head. So maybe if you're not into that, because you get them every single month in Bombay Cedar, maybe this will be better for you and you have more time to use your items and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm happy. I love when I open a box and my mood is uplifted. I mean, that pretty much always happens because I love pretty much all the boxes I get, all of them. Yeah. So yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, which should be like popping up on the screen soon. You want to watch that whole video to see what the prizes are. And thank you to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn about the perks and also join. I would love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and before I forget, the scarf too. It was on my lap and I was thinking that when I was doing my little outro. This is awesome too, but yeah, stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.